This video shows the dynamic CC, BCC and reply to routing rule flow. First, we go to settings and open the email CC and BCC section. Here we can set the global default CC, default BCC and default reply to values. These global values work as a fallback when no dynamic rule is matched. Now, we click on the Configure Dynamic CC BCC Rules button. As you can see, it also shows the active rule count. After clicking the button, we are redirected to the Dynamic CC BCC Rules list view. Now we create one new rule for sales order. In the rule form, we set the document type as sales order. Then we select sender users and sender departments. We also select the sender match policy. If we choose user and department both match, then both conditions must match. If we choose user or department matches, then the rule will apply if either the sender user or the sender department matches. Now, under the recipient section, we add CC recipients, BCC recipients, and default reply to. These values will be applied only when this rule matches. After saving the rule, we go to the sales menu and open a quotation for sales order. Now we click on send button. As you can see, the email composer opens with the CC, BCC and reply to values from the matching dynamic rule. In this case, because the sales order rule is matched, the global default CC and BCC values are skipped and only the rule-based recipients are applied. Now, if we send an email from another document, for example purchase order and no dynamic rule exists for that document, then the system will automatically apply the global default CC, default BCC and default reply to values from settings. So this feature gives us a centralized and flexible routing flow where global defaults work as fallback and dynamic rules override them based on document type, sender user and sender department.